Hey ELOC Nation, have you ever looked up at a branch and thought, that thing needs to come down? But then you remembered you'd have to drag out a ladder, climb up there, and hope for the best. Yeah, me too. Today we're taking a look at a tool that might solve that problem. Seesii sent me their 6-inch 2-in-1 pole saw for review. It's designed to work as both a handheld mini chainsaw and a pole saw so you can reach higher branches while staying safely on the ground. We're going to unbox it, put it together, test it on some real branches in my yard, and see if it's actually worth having around for garden and yard maintenance. Let's get started. First things first, let's see what comes in the box. User manual, gloves, oil bottle, 2 extra chains, brush, safety goggles, shoulder strap, 2 batteries, charger, 6-inch mini chainsaw, chain cover, and extension pole. The assembly is pretty straightforward, no complicated setup, no special tools. Once the batteries were charged up, we were ready to test it. Oil goes here, give it a couple of pumps. Here's the oil indicator. Some nice cushion here for protection. It was packaged very well. Everything looks to be in great condition. Here's a closer look at the extension pole. The pole connects to the chainsaw quickly. The extension pole is adjustable, which means you can change the length depending on what you're trying to reach. I also like that the cutting head can be adjusted. Sometimes branches aren't growing in the most convenient locations. Having some flexibility with the cutting angle can make a big difference. This tree has been shading out my garden area, so we're going to cut this down. Before we go high, let's see how it performs as a handheld chainsaw. I'm going to start with a smaller branch. The cut is clean. The saw feels balanced. The trigger response is good. What I like is I don't feel like I'm fighting the tool. It's doing the work. If you have shrubs, lower tree limbs, storm cleanup, or general yard maintenance, I can see this being useful even without the extension pole. Now let's test the feature that got my attention, the extension pole. The pole extends up to help reach branches around 10 feet high. For homeowners and gardeners, that's a huge advantage. I don't know about y'all, but the older I get, the less interested I am in climbing ladders. The saw is handling these branches nicely. The chain is moving smoothly. The cuts are clean. And because it's battery powered, I don't have to deal with gas, pulling cords, or engine maintenance. After using the Seesii 2-in-1 pole saw, here's what stands out for me. The pros: lightweight, easy assembly, handheld and pole saw in one, adjustable extension pole, adjustable cutting angle, includes 2 batteries, easy for routine yard maintenance. This is especially useful for gardeners, homeowners, and anyone maintaining trees around their property. My favorite feature is definitely being able to stay on the ground while reaching higher branches. That's where I see the biggest value. Thanks again, Seesii, for sending this over for review. Now I want to hear from ELOC Nation. What's the tallest tree you have in your yard? And are you team ladder or team keep my feet on the ground? Drop your answer below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and as always, be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.